Crowd pleaser is an option that we provide to our customers so they can have selection. We had customers that were buying large volumes of coffee, and we knew that our customers wanted more choices, but they didn't want to spend more money on the coffee. They wanted more choices. So that's why we started breaking it down in a little bit smaller volumes. We call that crowd pleaser.
Crowd pleaser evolved from the thought of us not being able to meet the palate of the whole office. And so we took the 27 blends we had, broke them up into different tiers to make the choice easier. And then we wanted them to choose within the tiers of what they think would be most pleasing for them. So the tiers now are separated by art, which is something that we really wanted to bring in. So we wanted the customer to connect with each tier by the art on the box. If you notice, our crafted line is hardworking, simple coffee. It's wonderful coffee. Our artisan line is all of our hand blended coffees. So we wanted to show an artisan look to it. So you'll see the tooling, it looks like leather tooling. And then our exotic line, we wanted something really different, so we went with the leopard. So we hope everyone has fun there. The decaf line is green in color, which usually denotes decaf, but also too, we wanted to show that it's still shade grown coffee. So we had the kind of the rainforest look, so where the coffee is grown. Our next line is our flavored line, and it has a lot of different colors because the flavor line is like that. It's so vibrant and just spicy with color. And then the last one was our seasonal, where we incorporated all the different seasons into one box. So that's how you can tell as you move from crafted all the way up the spectrum, that you'll notice the colors come into play more. So the coffees not only get their profiles brightened, but the boxes also brighten as well. If you go to a coffee shop, they have small quantities so that they're continually offering a fresh cup. With Crowd Pleaser, it's the same. So as a new customer, as a current customer, you're still gonna have the coffee shop experience because now you can go in and pick which one you wanna make. And I hope that we get to broaden our coffee experience into our accounts.
The Crowd Pleaser has done so much for our office. It brings our associates to one meeting place. Most places have the water tank where they go and meet, but all of our people come and meet at the coffee bar. And that's because they have all the select varieties to come and enjoy, and they have all of the creamers, sugars, everything is there available to them, and we get our morning chats on while we're standing there making our coffee. So it has been easy for us to make the pots that we want. We don't have to wait for one pot to be emptied to change flavors. We can make all the different flavors at one time and have the variety of mixing if we'd like to mix the flavors. Some people like to create their own type of flavoring with what's available. So it has been wonderful for us to be able to have that opportunity to do that.
I have one customer, and she came to me and she said, "Hey Eric, we want to introduce a new coffee." But then she ended up taking the Lay It On Me, which is one of our exotic coffees. When she sees me, she said, "Hey Eric, lay it on me." And so that's one of the outstanding impacts that the Crowd Pleaser has done with our customer base. It's kind of just branded in the mind of our customers how awesome the coffee is, and it's become something fun.
We've got coffees from all over the world, and you get to drink that. Like I said, not everybody can afford to drive a Mercedes-Benz, but everybody can afford a good cup of coffee. And that's what we're bringing to our customers with the Crowd Pleaser selection. It's, again, not a large volume of coffee, but perhaps 8 individual selections that you can put in a small space on your wall that will allow you to bring the world in terms of coffee to all of the employees there. They can have selection and choice of what things they want to do and give them some individual freedom that they can express when they choose their coffee with the Crowd Pleaser selection.